So I'm in the kitchen here at Noted Eel and Pie House in Leytonstone. I've got Peter working super hard behind me. It's a really, really busy day, so I'm going to try and keep out of his way as much as possible. Every day they're making everything from scratch and by hand. So the pies, the mash, the liquor and the jelly deals. So follow me. We can see what Peter's up to. Have you got any pies in the oven?
Hello, Jay.
Hello, Peter.
Yeah, I've got the first few pies for the early birds. We get a few people coming when we open for their breakfast for pie mash. So we do a few, and then normally there's a little bit of a lull in trade until lunchtime, and then they all bomb in, sort of thing. We see these old ovens, they're 60, nearly 70 years old. They're priceless to us because you can't replace them. And they give the pies their character, but in keeping with the fact that they're not convector ovens like a modern oven, they can tend to scorch the pies.
Yep.
Very difficult to control the temperature precisely. So what we do is we cover up the ones that are browning and then cook from that point, and hopefully they'll all just have that little bit of patina on them.
Lovely.
Character, should I say.
Lovely.
And ready for them to eat when they come in at 11. And
So the pies are cooked fresh in these old ovens.
pies are cooked fresh.
And you've got the mash, you've got the potatoes boiling up for the mash.
Potatoes for the first few people, yeah. They'll be going in, and then when they come off, I'll put another lot on, a bigger pot on, as the tray starts to build up. That's just a pot of boiling water, which we keep on the boil all the time.
Yep.
You need it constantly.
Yep.
And there I've got the stew deals,
Amazing.
which we're cooking up for the beginning for the first few people.
Amazing.
Yeah, that's about it at the moment.
Well, you take the water from the potatoes to make the liquor, right?
Yeah, that's right.
That's kind of an important part of it.
Years ago they used to use the eel water.
Yep.
But the eel trade has declined rapidly in the last sort of 40 years, purely because of the expense of eels.
Yep.
You know, they're so expensive.
Yep.
And it, you know, an eel, a meal with an eel, a bowl of eels is the equivalent to a pie and mash. Sort of
Yeah.
price.
Yeah.
And you only get 5 pieces of eel.
Yeah.
But they're so expensive, and you have to keep the price up to make any money on them.
Yeah, of
You know,
course.
if the price was any lower, we'd be making no money. To be honest with you, a lot of pie shops don't even sell the eels anymore.
Yeah.
You know, purely because of the cost. But I do, but then again, I'll keep live eels.
Yeah. We should have a look at those later.
Yeah, by all means, Alfie can show you the eels.
Oh yeah, good idea. Good idea. So out the back here in the kitchen, this is where they've got a lot of hard work going on. They're preparing the pies. If you want to have, it's quite busy in there, so I won't go in there, but if you want to have a quick look. Alfie's washing down the trays. Alfie,
Yeah.
have you got a minute? Can you show us the live eels out the back? Yeah, go for it. Yeah, please. Brilliant. I think you're one of the only shops in London now that keeps these eels, right?
Yeah, I think so.
They used to have a farm out the back of Cook's, like an eel farm out the back of Cook's in Dawson,
yeah.
but now that's
gone
closed.
now,
Yeah, it's gone. So this is amazing that you still do that.
A lot of these shops still sell eels, the
Yeah.
jelly eels, stewed eels, but I don't think they need to keep them live and prepare it all themselves.
Yeah. Yeah, it's amazing. All right, thanks. Well, sorry, I'll leave you to it because I know you're super busy today.
Thanks.
And if you see here, Brona is just doing the pie bases, so you can go in and have a close look at that. And in that short amount of time we've been out the back, look how many pies have been done. Thank you, Emma. Thank you, Alfie. Sorry to get in your way. Thanks, Rona. All right, so that's it. Look at this steaming hot potatoes in a pan. I mean, you just can't get better. And one of the people who I've met on this journey doing this project is the Gentle Author. Have you met the Gentle Author, Peter? The guy from Spitalfield's Life?
No, I haven't.
Well, he wrote that amazing piece for the love of pie and
I
mash.
saw that, yeah, I read that.
And we've got a preview of that coming up.
Very poetic that was.
Yeah, lovely poetic piece. He must love pie and mash. Yeah. So we've got that coming up, so
Oh, that one. Excellent.
that'd be nice. All right, great.
Thank you.
Thanks, Peter.
No problem, James. Nice to see you.